For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has remained one of humanity's most powerful and enduring scientific instruments. Launched in 1990, Hubble was originally designed to peer deep into the universe, beyond our galaxy, to study distant stars, nebulae, and galaxies forming at the dawn of time. Yet over the years, it has proven to be far more versatile than originally imagined. In addition to reshaping cosmology, Hubble has become an indispensable tool for studying our own solar system, offering breathtaking images and crucial data about planets, moons, asteroids, and comets that continue to challenge and refine our understanding of planetary science. Despite decades of robotic exploration, many objects within our solar system remain surprisingly mysterious. Dedicated missions are expensive, rare, and often focused on a single target. Hubble's unique position above Earth's atmosphere allows it to act as a long-term observer, filling critical gaps between planetary missions. Its sharp vision and stability enable scientists to monitor changes over time, revealing dynamic processes that would otherwise go unnoticed. However, Hubble is not suited for every observation. One of its limitations is its relatively narrow field of view. For example, it cannot capture the entire moon in a single frame because the moon appears too large in the sky. For detailed lunar mapping, specialized missions such as NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter are far more effective. Yet even with these limitations, Hubble has made unexpected and innovative contributions to lunar science. One of the most remarkable examples occurred in 2012, when Hubble played a key role in observing Venus as it transited across the Sun. Scientists devised a clever experiment that used the moon as a giant mirror. As sunlight passed through Venus's thick atmosphere, reflected off the lunar surface, and traveled back to Hubble, researchers were able to analyze how Venus's atmosphere filtered the light. This indirect method allowed scientists to confirm the presence of carbon dioxide and other atmospheric gases. More importantly, the experiment demonstrated a powerful technique that could be applied to the study of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars. Today, this same method is used to analyze alien atmospheres in the search for habitability and potential biosignatures. Unlike the Moon, Mars is an ideal target for Hubble. The telescope can capture full-disk images of the red planet, something orbiting spacecraft often struggle to do due to their close proximity and limited perspective. Over the years, Hubble has provided a continuous record of Martian seasons, tracking polar ice caps as they grow and shrink, monitoring cloud formations, and documenting massive dust storms. One of its most iconic observations occurred in 2001, when a global dust storm engulfed Mars, completely obscuring its surface. These observations are not just visually stunning, they are scientifically critical, helping researchers understand Martian climate and prepare for future robotic and human missions. Hubble has also closely monitored Phobos, Mars's larger moon, which orbits the planet at an astonishing speed, completing a full revolution in just 7.5 hours. Phobos is slowly spiraling inward due to tidal interactions with Mars. In tens of millions of years, it may either crash into the planet or be torn apart, forming a ring system. Observing this gradual decay provides valuable insight into the long-term evolution of moons and planetary systems. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a vast region filled with millions of rocky remnants left over from the formation of the solar system. Hubble has played a crucial role in revealing that these objects are far more dynamic than once believed. One particularly intriguing discovery involved asteroid 6478 Gault, which unexpectedly developed long tails resembling those of a comet. Further investigation revealed that this activity was likely caused by the Europa effect, where uneven heating from sunlight slowly increases an asteroid's rotation until material is flung off into space. This discovery helped confirm that many asteroids are not solid monoliths, but rather rubble piles, loosely held together by weak gravity. Such fragile structures can be dramatically altered by small forces, reshaping themselves over time. Another striking observation involved P. 2010A2, an object initially mistaken for a comet. Hubble revealed it to be the aftermath of a high-speed asteroid collision, producing an X-shaped debris pattern that slowly spread into a long trail. These rare events offer a glimpse into the violent processes that have shaped the solar system for billions of years. Farther out, Jupiter dominates the solar system with its immense gravity. Often described as the solar system's cosmic shield, Jupiter's mass, which accounts for roughly 70% of all non-solar planetary mass, allows it to capture or deflect countless asteroids and comets. One of the most dramatic demonstrations of this role occurred in 1994, when comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 slammed into Jupiter after being torn apart by its gravity. Hubble observed the impacts in real time as massive fireballs erupted thousands of kilometers above Jupiter's cloud tops. Temperatures soared to over 20,000 Kelvin, hotter than the surface of the Sun. Dark scars larger than Earth lingered in Jupiter's atmosphere for months, each impact releasing energy equivalent to millions of megatons of TNT. This event provided an unprecedented opportunity to study large-scale cosmic impacts and underscored Jupiter's role in protecting the inner planets, including Earth. Hubble has also conducted long-term studies of Jupiter's auroras, which are hundreds of times more powerful than those on Earth. Unlike Earth's auroras, which depend largely on solar activity, Jupiter's are fueled by both the solar wind and the planet's immense magnetic field. Combined observations with NASA's Juno spacecraft revealed a complex and violent environment, where charged particles generate dazzling, persistent light shows unlike anything else in the solar system. Among Jupiter's many moons, Europa remains one of the most compelling targets in the search for extraterrestrial life. Beneath its icy crust lies a vast subsurface ocean. Hubble has detected plumes of water vapor erupting from Europa's surface, suggesting that material from this hidden ocean may be reaching space. Spectroscopic analysis has also revealed sodium chloride, common table salt, on the surface, hinting that Europa's ocean may be chemically similar to Earth's seas. These findings have elevated Europa to one of the most promising locations for life beyond Earth. Since the end of the Cassini mission in 2017, Saturn has lacked a dedicated spacecraft. Yet Hubble continues to monitor the ringed giant, tracking storms, seasonal changes, and subtle shifts in its atmosphere. It has also provided invaluable observations of Uranus and Neptune, the distant ice giants last visited by Voyager 2 in the 1980s. Hubble has documented Uranus's extreme seasons and discovered Neptune's tiny moon Hippocamp, likely formed from debris left behind by an ancient collision. For more than 30 years, Hubble has consistently exceeded expectations. Its contributions to planetary science, astrophysics, and the search for life have transformed our understanding of the universe. With careful management, the telescope could continue operating into the 2040s, potentially overlapping with and complementing the James Webb Space Telescope. Hubble's legacy is not just one of images and data, but of perspective. It has shown us that the solar system is not static, but alive with motion, change, and unexpected phenomena. Each observation reminds us that discovery is never finished. The universe is vast, its secrets still largely hidden, and with every new image, Hubble proves that curiosity remains humanity's most powerful tool.